How to change language in Word. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change language in Word. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open the application Word on your system or PC. Alright, so after you open the Word, you'll got such interface. So from your, you'll have to just click on the option File just at the top left corner. So simply click on it. Alright, so from this section you'll have to go the option just at the bottom, so simply click on it. Okay, so from this option you'll be able to find a option like language, so from here click on language. Okay, so from this language section you'll be able to set the language preference on your desired one. So from here you can easily change your language. So from here you can also match the Microsoft Windows language and it is preferred, or you can also select the language English from here. So on the other hand you can also add a language from here, so you can add any language from here. So after you add language, that language will be set on your Word. So this is the easiest and simplest method to change language on Word. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.